My name is Hannu Impola and I'm from Merivaara Corporation. And just call me Hanski. Today I am going to tell you more about hospital infections, how do they affect our lives, and is there anything we can do about that? We all are flying every day, and sometimes we are also flying with jumbo jets. Think about the situation that if you hear in the news that one jumbo jet has crashed and all the people died. That's bad. Next morning you hear the same story, another jumbo jet crashed and all people died. Third morning, the same thing. That would be a huge catastrophe. The whole world would be really on their tops and toes. But that's reality in the hospital world, because in USA every day jumbo jet, the number of people die every day. And that's a big catastrophe, but we are not really talking about that enough. In Europe, 37,000 people are dying for hospital infections every year. We get 3 million infections per year in Europe. And 16 million additional hospital days patients has to stay because of the infections. And the cost implication, it's 7 billion euros of taxpayers' money which is lost every year. So we lose money, but much more importantly, we lose lives of our loved ones. So how are these hospital infections spreading? And it's touching. When we are touching each other, like human beings, or when we are touching anything in the hospital, like bed rails or bed ends, IV rods, etc. We are touching them all the time, we as visitors, patients and hospital staff. So, what can we do there? In this machine washable Carena bed, we have added antibacterial silver coating, which really reduces the growth of the bacteria. That is good, but that is not the best. And the best is on the top. We are also using on these very high touch areas antimicrobial copper coating. And copper alloys are absolutely the best metal alloys to kill the bacteria. So the best way to kill the bacteria, 99.9%, is to use copper alloys on all high touch areas, like the side rails, bed ends, IV rods, patient tables, chairs with the armrests, nurse call buttons, keypads, mouses, whichever is the high touch area, if we use antimicrobial copper, it kills the bacteria and really lowers the bioburden in the hospitals. So our mission of life at Merivaara is to do our best to reduce hospital infections with our hygiene products by developing more and more products with antimicrobial copper coating in the high touch areas, like in this machine washable Carena bed. To save money, but much more importantly, to save the lives of our loved ones. Merivaara hygiene products for pure safety.